Ka Little Flower Secondary School ka badan Malki kelapan kutna ya ka jing rakhe jong ka jing dap Riewpawkhmat Snem jong ka ni ka school. Pada ka program jong ka jing rakhe la penlong ha pelau jong ka ni ka school. Shua ban sedang ya ka jing rakhe kala don kamas bakhuat ka bala turwa do Father Richard Majau ubade Vicar General ka Shillong Archdiocese Hakabaki kena school kleshim benta shitrem da ka jingru belay. Lawan ban penha perdano do ba fanten lakadong ubade UMDC haringgat ka siya sendralang i system meres dakhar ibade i headmistress ki rang ba balang naka committee ka balang Catholic Malki i Father Richard Majau i Father Julius Kurba ki nonghikai ki reunion na MSMHC ki kena school bat ki basha khot snobha. Haba ay jingren hangani ka sngi mukongsan uba fanten ulapin ken mau yela di baula longo kena school barim joga ni ka school barula ai ka burom ya ni ka school ka bala la shisha ban se ya ki Riewpawkhmat ki babun kum ki doctor ki engineer ki MCS ki minister baulong ba mu MDC usngo ba ni ka school kala ki state ha ka Jylla bar ya ka nam joga ni ka school la yo sngo shadu ki kendong jong ka Jylla hakani ka ju hi ka sngi UMDC ula polite sundan ya ka website jong ni ka school ka bala ai www.lfsmalki.in
Umatang ke part ini cukup kuat pengetang ini kejing keluar kini ajuni. Dan part yang mensiam jadi kum jer lo cuki, begitu kelalo ini kemet bagas nam jauh trai juni Jesus Christ. Aku por berdino yang berdalam kamon semua bang. Ula peyang yang kejing syashtam. Ula siem yoku bagas jauh air ko ini. Ula kedia itu air leksengan uang. Dua siem berkebang nak kini pi baru. Nama kini kalau kemet jena. Ya keba NIT na kebinta jempi. Hakaju kurgam dalala yabang urashim yukuri. Kata keba angu biang ibe ulai kesendan wong. Doshim batudi nagadi pi barong. Namar kini kalau kuri jaga senam juga. Jaga jutang ketumai bedong juga. Ya kami agbentar juga, bag agbentar kita pun agbentar ke jemaah pergi pom. Today ya kini ban kenmau yang
very overwhelmed that I'm here as a chief guest. You have, I don't know whether I'm the first politician from this school, but we have lots of doctors, we have lots of engineers who have passed out from this school. MCS. But I'd like to advise the students. We need you more in civil service also. We need you to be an IAS to administer our state, so that we don't have to bring IAS officers from outside. So I would like to urge you to focus more on civil service. We need you, the state needs you badly. The Kulish Bondru, the Kikmiki Pa, Kibala, Lendila de Kibala, sacrifice, and Pimpikima, the Kynjoh Kynjoh, the education system. I can talk to them, and I'm very sure, and I'm very apart, the Yakisan. Not much to say. I wish the school the very best. The success in every step they take. Little Flower School is a blessing to the Malki. I would say it's a blessing to Ashnong. We are very fortunate that this school is here. Would have been somewhere in Angiti. It will be difficult to get seats. So we are happy that God has planned this school for us. Thank you so much. God bless the Flower Secondary School. Thank you so much.
We were young, posters on the wall, playing the ones that you know. We would stare at each other, as they were always in trouble. And all the cool kids did their own things. I was on the outside, I was looking in. Yeah, I was there, but I wasn't. They never really cared if I wasn't. We all needed someone who gets you like no one else right when you need it the most. We all need a soul to rely on, a shoulder to cry on, a friend to never say no. I'm not gonna make it alone, la 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 la. I'm not gonna make it alone, la 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 la. Then I saw your face, your forbidden eyes, coming back at me on the other side. Like you understood me, and I'm never letting you go. Oh, we all need that someone who gets you like no one else right when you need it the most. We all need a
धन्यवाद सर्वदा पूरे तन मन तेरे लिए धन्यवाद सर्वदा
for unveiling NCC cadets are asked to go forward for folding of the Diamond Jubilee flag.
So may I request Sir Fantin to kindly do the honor. So our school website is www.lfsmalki.in. Having acted rapidly upon practical suggestions from many, we have designed this website to provide a comprehensive overview, aims and values, useful information and resources for pupils. With the way the new technology is always changing and strengthening its offering, we felt it is time to give our parents and students the best possible